Well, hello, internet friend, and welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to replace AirPod Pro tips. Okay, speaking of AirPod Pros, I've had pretty much every single version, not because I'm obsessed with AirPods, but the reason that I've had so many different versions is because I have a very bad tendency to lose them. But yeah, regardless of how and why I've had so many pairs of AirPods, the latest revelation I've had in regards to these is the fact that you can replace the tips on them. I don't know how many of you guys get this issue, and it's pretty gross, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. But a lot of the time when I've gone for a hard run or when I've been wearing my AirPod Pros for an extended period of time and I pull them out of my ears, there'll be a gobbly, goopy, disgusting amount of earwax sitting on them. I look at it, I go, I am a disgusting human being every time. However, look, let's be real. Just like shitting, earwax is normal. I have actually been to an ear, nose, and throat specialist. I've had them look inside my ear. He actually said the earwax amount that I've got is a healthy amount. So I'm guessing what comes out on my AirPod Pros is totally normal. However, it doesn't make it any more glamorous to look at or clean it off. Now, second to that problem though, I've noticed that after a while, when the earwax builds up on my AirPods, the tips actually become stained, meaning they get like this yellow, gross tinge to them. It essentially permanently stains them over time. Now, prior to a couple months ago, I didn't even know you could remove the tips. And since figuring that out, I've tried pulling the tip off, cleaning it, rubbing it, scrubbing it with soap. Whatever I do, I can't get the old tips clean, which forced me to look for another solution. And lo and behold, you can actually buy replacement tips. And when I thought deeply about it, I thought, of course you can freaking buy replacement tips. It's Apple. Apple think of everything before they launch a product. Even the next version of the product that they just sold you, they're thinking of it. So yes, AirPod Pro tips can be replaced. To replace them is freaking easy. All you need to do is invert the tips. So these little tips, they invert just like that. Once you invert it, squeeze down tightly and you can pop the ends off. They pop off pretty easily as well. Once you've popped them off, you open your pack of replacement ones that you get from Amazon, clip them on, and they literally look brand new. And then with the dirty tips, you just throw those into the bin and off we go. And because Apple have included that in the design, I feel like it's what you're meant to do. So yeah, that's how I replace my Apple AirPod Pro tips. Literally invert, pop it off, and off we go. I'm like literally so proud to be able to show my AirPods up this close because they look so clean. But yeah, anyway, if you found this video helpful, please make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want more metaverse and tech content in future from me, make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.